Hey everyone, welcome back to BikeZone channel. Today we're diving into the 2025 Harley Davidson Heritage Classic, a bike that beautifully blends classic design with modern performance. Let's get started. Design and features. The 2025 Heritage Classic retains its iconic retro style, featuring a stunning combination of chrome and black finishes. The teardrop tank, nostalgic fenders, and leather saddlebags give it that unmistakable classic look. But it's not just about aesthetics. The LED lighting enhances visibility while maintaining that vintage feel. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Heritage Classic is powered by the Milwaukee 8114 engine, delivering a robust 100 FTLBs of torque. This engine not only provides ample power for highway cruising but also ensures a smooth ride around town. The bike's responsive handling and advanced suspension system make it a joy to ride in any condition. Comfort and technology. Comfort is key with the Heritage Classic. The seat is plush and designed for long rides, while the adjustable handlebars allow for a customized fit. On the tech side, you'll find a modern infotainment system with Bluetooth connectivity, ensuring you stay connected on the road. Customization options. One of the standout features of the Heritage Classic is its customization potential. From different color schemes to a variety of accessories, Harley Davidson offers a plethora of options to make this bike truly yours. Whether you prefer a classic look or a more modern twist, the possibilities are endless. Conclusion. The 2025 Harley Davidson Heritage Classic is more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement. With its blend of timeless design, powerful performance, and modern technology, it caters to both seasoned riders and newcomers alike. If you're in the market for a bike that embodies freedom and adventure, the Heritage Classic is definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more motorcycle reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think of the 2025 Heritage Classic. Ride safe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for joining BikeZone.